Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK. Alright you guys, thumbs up and let me know if you guys can hear me clearly. I do apologize for my previous video. My microphone was not on. I totally forgot to turn that switch on. So give me a thumbs up if you guys can hear me and see me good. Alright you guys, today I'm going to do a quick video on some goodies that I found on sale, on clearance, 90% off, spring, well no, summer clearance. Okay, so Hobby, let me see, it's a combination of Hobby Lobby and Big Lots. So let's start with Big Lots. Okay, okay, so I got two pieces from Big Lots, and I said this coming spring, my porch, I did decorate my porch, you guys, but I didn't bring you a video. I did revamp my porch, gave my porch a nice little makeover. I did everything that I said that I was going to do from last summer, and maybe I'll bring y'all a video just to show y'all what I did. So on my deck and my back door, I have some nice siding that doesn't have anything on it. So I said, I think I want to decorate it with some garden little knickknacks and hang on my siding. So I came across this basket right here. Welcome to our garden. So this here was, I think it was like $3, you guys. When I tell you I was so happy when I was catching these deals. So this is Big Lots. So I got this from Big Lots. So I think I'm going to hang it over here with my other little table set that I have over here, and then I'm going to put some other gardening wall decor on my other side, so it could just make my deck look nicer. And y'all see the little pouch part? I'm gonna hang my I'm gonna hang it up, and then I'm gonna use this area to to store my pruners and some of my gardening tools. So that's one piece I got. Oh, y'all see the little birdie on it? The little birdie, yeah. Alright, so that's one item. The second item I got, and then I got this cute little wood wall decor. I thought this was so cute, and this was like $3 too. Colorful little garden, not a pitcher, but water can waterer, yeah. So this is our happy place, and it got my little bee on there. Y'all see the little bee? Really cute, very inexpensive. So I'm gonna hang that up. And then let's see, I did oh no, matter of fact, y'all, I got it wrong, you guys. It's Big Lots, Hobby Lobby, and CVS. Okay, so this is Hobby Lobby. So I got me some nice metal gardening tools, and these was actually $3 as well. And they don't have like the real technical name for these, but they're actually like little hole diggers. And I love these, and I was eyeing these. I was waiting for these to go on clearance because I said these will work perfect. And my my no weed method raised beds that's out there with the holes, and I can actually dig down in there and actually harvest easily, and also sow seeds easily as well. So I really like these two. This one has the it's like a ruler on it, so it goes up to 6 inches. So I guess you can use that to plant according to whatever you're planting, especially like bulbs. This would be excellent for bulbs. That's another reason why I got it. And this would be excellent for bulbs too. Now, again, there's no technical name for these things. Why wouldn't they put like a technical name? It's just outdoor gardening tools. That's it. So these are the two, very strong, durable wood and metal. Okay, so I got those from Hobby Lobby, and I'll put those right in the can. And then I got this cute little I actually got two. I got this cute little apron, and the apron was $5. Look at the apron, you guys, the garden apron. Isn't that cute? It has the bees on it, and they got the pockets. And I paid $5 for this. I love it. It's so cute and very summery, spring. So it does have like this faux leather. It's durable. The The fabric is like a what they call it, duck. Is it duckweed fabric, something like that, like a canvas. So it's a strong fabric, so it's very durable. So that it has, let's see, it actually has 5 pockets. Nope, it has 6. It got 1, 2, and 3, and then up here, so it has 6. Yep, 6 pockets. So I love it, love it, love it. The back, you can have you can tighten up the belt and the back. Easy hang up for my laundry room. That's where it's going, in the laundry room. I can hang it up. And it does have like this it's kind of like a raincoat fabric. Yeah, like a raincoat fabric. So I got that. And let's get to, I feel like I'm missing something out here. Okay, let's get to the CVS. I caught these on sale, y'all. Look at these. Clearance. $3, you guys. I used my Care Pass on this, and my out of pocket was $3. And look at this, you guys. It collapses. I love little knickknacks like this. Listen, this is awesome for beach and a picnic day. I love this. I love this. And we all know, let me show y'all some of the features on here. So we all know when you go to the beach, it's hard. If you don't have a camping chair with your little cup holder, you already know your drink is falling in the sand. But this one has like the little cup holders over here, a little like plate holder right here. And what I really love about it is that it has this little pocket where you could get in there and get your drinks or your sandwich or whatever you're looking for. So I really love this cooler. And this cooler is tabletop cooler. It is from Arctic Zone. So it's made by Arctic Zone. And again, the material is called microban, and it's supposed to be a protective material. So it's supposed to be, I guess, a good material. So it has 2 zippers, and that is what the inside is looking like. So this is a very generous cooler, and you can carry your drinks and your sandwiches or whatever you have in here, and it'll do just fine. I have another cooler that I had for many years. That cooler done been up and down the road with us, and it has lasted us. And I said I could use 2 more coolers because I want to get ready for the camp life too. Hint, hint, led from 70 feet in Queen Led. So I really like these two. And again, $3 clearance. Now I was watching the beach bags, but I messed around and I missed the beach bags. They had these really big beach bags. I said, boy, if I could get these big giant beach bags for $3, that'd be sweet. But I did miss that one. But I'm so glad that I caught the cooler sale. They was definitely waiting for me, so I got 2 of these at $3, and they are collapsible, and they are very nice. And I should have these for the next couple of years. So I really love these. So it has the handle over here, and then it has the 2 handles right here. So it depends on if you want to carry it like a picnic basket, you can carry it like that. If you want to carry it on your shoulder or across your body, you can carry it like that. So this haul that I did this week was definitely a win-win haul. I'm super excited about everything that I did get, and there are still things out there that are on clearance, and Dollar General have some things on clearance. Family Dollar still have things on clearance, but I would definitely check your Hobby Lobby and Big Lots, because Big Lots still have some things, and they had a lot of furniture. They had a lot of what they call those little bowls that burn fire at night that you can sit on your table. They had really nice stuff. Some things I was mad that I didn't catch, but I was okay with the little bit of stuff that I did catch on sale. So alright, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick summer clearance haul that I did. I hope everyone is doing well. I just want to say that don't be distracted with all this nonsense that's going around. Diddy, the presidential crap that's going on, Do not be distracted by those things. We got some serious things happening here in America. So please stay on the swivel. Do not be distracted by that stuff. So make sure you guys are still prepping, you still canning, you still couponing, you still growing your food. You already know. You already know ammo. Listen, people are starting to act crazy already. So just be mindful of that, you guys. Don't be distracted with this crazy worldly news that's going on right now. Alright, so this is SEK, the homesteader. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Peace.